Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss the problem based on triple integral, especially evaluating triple integral over the volume V. This is one of the important topic. If you are taking any one of the unanswered question paper, you may see problem may be the volume by triple integral or evaluating the triple integral over the volume V. Okay, so try to understand the importance of the topic. So you watch the video till the end, you can get the more ideas. Evaluate triple integral over V xyz dx dy dz over the volume V enclosed by the three coordinate planes and the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Okay, so first I have to explain the problem step by step. First, what we are going to do, define the volume by the coordinate planes and the plane. Okay, so here volume V. Here volume V is bounded by the coordinate planes. The coordinate planes. What are the coordinate planes? X equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, and finally the plane. The name of the plane is tetrahedron x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Okay, so first we define the volume by the coordinate planes and the plane. Okay, then we will define the limits of the triple integral. Then as usual integration, we have to evaluate the problem. That's so this is x-axis, this is y-axis. I am taking this is what z-axis. Okay, so first coordinate plane x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means the plate that is y is the plate. It start from here. Okay, and goes on from left to right. So this is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 comes like this, x equal to 2, x equal to 3 up to x equal to infinity. So the plates goes from left side to right hand side. Next to the plane y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 plate, that is x is a plane. So the plate start from here to back to front. That is this is what y equal to 0. So this is y equal to 1 and this is y equal to 2 up to y equal to infinity. Now we go for z equal to 0. So in next coordinate plane z equal to 0. So z equal to 0 plate means xy plane. So start from here. Okay, this is z equal to 0. This top z equal to 1, z equal to 2 up to z equal to infinity. Okay, so z equal to z plates start from bottom to top. Okay, so x plates start from left to right. Y equal to 0 plate start from back to front. Z plates are start from bottom to top. So try to understand this concept. Then only you can do all the problems. So finally we have the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So before we draw the plane, let us take the coordinate axis of the plane. Okay, so find out the coordinate axis of the plane. If y and z are 0, what happen? X by a equal to 1, which implies x equal to a. Therefore the coordinate axis is a, 0, 0. That means x equal to a, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Next, if x and z are equal to 0, we have y by b equal to 1, which implies y equal to b. Therefore the coordinate axis is 0, b, 0. Finally, if x and y are 0, we have z by c equal to 1, which implies z equal to c. Therefore the coordinate axis is 0, 0, c. Okay, now we denote all the coordinate axes in this diagram. See here, c 0, 0, c, and here a, 0, 0, and here this is 0, b, 0. Join all the points. It comes like the triangle. Okay, Now this plane, the triangle plane, and left hand side x equal to 0 and back side y equal to 0 and bottom z equal to 0 all covers the portion. It comes like that. So this is the required volume after removing all the edges. Okay, so here left hand side we have x equal to 0, back side we have the plate y equal to 0, bottom we have z equal to 0, and top we have x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. Okay, this is the required volume. Now successfully we define the volume. Now we come to the triple integral. Triple integral x y z dz dy dx. In the given problem we have the order dx dy dz. Now I have to take the order dz dy dx. The value will not be changed. Okay, now we have to fix the limits of this integral through the diagram. Okay, so mostly the first, the inner integration should be the volume limits. Should be the volume limits. Volume limits. Okay, now triple integral over. So now it comes to double integral. In double integral, inner integral is what? Area limits. Area limits. And final, the outer integral is constant limits. The constant limits. Okay. Now let us see the volume limits. Volume limits. So volume limits start from bottom. Bottom is z equal to 0 to top, the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So z equal to 0 to x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So in order to the volume limits, order d is z. So we have to keep z in terms of x and y. So z by c equal to 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Therefore z equal to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Now z limits are over. Now after dz over, remaining we have dy dx. So the corresponding dy dx, we have the region here. We have the region here in x axis and y axis. See, this is name of the plate z equal to 0. That is x and y plane. Okay, the plane x by a plus y by b plus z value equal to 0 equal to 1. So this is the straight line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, so if it is dy dx, the corresponding strip is vertical strip. The corresponding strip is vertical strip. Once again explain, in the volume integral z limits are over, so remaining limits are dy dx. For the dy dx, we take the region alone, the region placed on xy plane, that is the triangle. Okay, so as per the order of integration dy dx, I have fixed here vertical strip. So as per the vertical strip, the bottom of the strip touches the line. The line is y equal to 0, and the top of the strip touches the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So mention here the area limits is start from y equal to 0 to the straight line x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So we can write y in terms of x. So y by b equal to 1 minus x by a. So y equal to b into 1 minus x by a. Now the volume limits are over, area limits are over. Now as per the order of integration dy dx, the vertical strips moves along x axis. So start from the boundary, the line is x equal to 0. Up to this line x intercepted to a. So the constant limit is the boundary of the region x equal to 0 to x. Okay, so outer integral x equal to 0 to x equal to a, and area integral y equal to 0 to y equal to b into 1 minus x by a, and the volume integral z equal to 0 to z equal to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. So the integrand is x, y, z, the order dz, dy and dx. Okay, so as usual we are going to start from the inner integral first. So evaluating the inner integral, let us simplify the limits properly. Okay, see here compared to the previous limits, these limits are a little bit larger. So try to use the dummy variable to simplify the limits. How you know? I am taking dummy variable. So in the place of the term I am using some variable. So I am not converting the one variable to some other variable. Simply I am using the dummy variable, that is u equal to b into 1 minus x by a. And see the z limit. Z limit is c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. So we can write this is 1 minus x by a as one number. Okay, this is y by b. So taking LCM b, we can get b into 1 minus x by a minus y divided by b. So this will be written as c by b into 1 minus x by a minus y. So once again we modify the integral 0 to a, integral 0 to u, integral 0 to c by b into u minus y. So function is xy z dz dy dx. Okay, now the complicated integral comes as a simplified form using the dummy variable u. So as usual we are going to start with the inner integral. So what is the inner integral? So outer integral and middle integral as it is. So with respect to z, xy is the constant. So the integral of z value goes to z square divided by 2. What is the limit? 0 to c by b u minus y, and the constant 2. So z square is replaced by c by b into u minus y and 0. So c square by b square into u minus y whole square minus 0 into the remaining integration dy dx. C into b square integral by dx as it is. Okay, so c square divided by 2b square integral 0 to a integral 0 to u. So x into y, expanding this term. So u square plus y square minus 2uy, remaining integral dy dx. Now we multiply xy inside the bracket. Multiply xy inside the bracket, what you will get, you know, xy into u square plus xy cube minus 2xy square u. Okay, 2uy into xy, 2x into u y square. So remain integral dy dx. So in this u is the function of only x. So with now we are going to operate the middle integral. So c square by 2b square as it is, integral 0 to a, with respect to y, x is the constant and u is the function of x only, so u also is the constant. So x into u square y square divided by 2 plus x into y power 4 divided by 4 minus 2xy square into y square integration y cube divided by 3 u as it is. Okay, limit is 0 to u. So remain integral dx. Now we apply the limits u and 0. So constant as it is c square divided by 2b square integral 0 to a, replacing y by u and 0. So first term x into u square, y square replaced by u and 0. So u square minus 0, u square. So u square divided by 2 plus x by 4 is the constant, y power 4 replaced by u and 0, that is u power 4 minus 2xu divided by 3, y cube is replaced by u and 0, that is u cube. That's remaining integral dx. So before we operate the outer integral, let us simplify the integrand properly. Okay, so c square by 2b square as it is, integral 0 to a, here u square into u square u power 4, x into u power 4 divided by 2 plus x into u power 4 divided by 4 minus 2x into u power 4 divided by 3 dx. Okay. Now we simplify more. Here x into u power 4 common. So take it outside. X into u power 4 common. So inside the bracket 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3 dx. Outside c square 2b square into 1 by 12 integral 0 to a x into u power 4 dx. Now this is the time to replace u by the original value. So c square divided by 2 into 12 24 b square integral 0 to a x into, actually u stands for b into 1 minus x by a, that is equal to u. So whole power 4 dx. So c square divided by 24 into b square integral 0 to a x into b power 4 1 minus x by a whole power 4 dx. Now we can simplify more. So okay, c square divided by 24 into b square. Here the constant term is b power 4. Take it outside. B power 4 integral 0 to a x into 1 minus x by a whole power 4 dx. Okay. Now we can use the substitution method. Taking t equal to 1 minus x by a. Okay. So what is dt? dt equal to minus dx by a, which implies dx equal to minus a into dt. Okay. Also we have the term x. So find out x in terms of t. X by a equal to 1 minus t, which implies x equal to a into 1 minus t. Once again repeat, here minus x by a bring to left hand side, t bring to right hand side. Therefore x by a equal to 1 minus t. So x equal to a into 1 minus t. Here we are changing the variable x into t. So corresponding limits need to be changed. Okay. Previously we have used the dummy variable. Here we have to change the variable x into t. So we need to change the limits also. Here the limits are x equal to 0, which implies t equal to 1 minus 0, answer 1. Okay. Then if x value equal to a, so t equal to 1 minus a by a. So answer 1 minus 1 value equal to 0. So t limits varies from 1 to 0. 1 to 0. B square and b power 4 are cancelled too. So the constant is b square c square divided by 24. Now integral, if x value equal to 0, t value equal to 1. If x value equal to a, t value equal to 0. And x replaced by t. So x value equal to a into 1 minus t. And 1 minus x by a goes to t. So t power 4 dx value goes to minus a into dt. Now we simplify the integrand. So b square c square divided by 24 as it is. Here minus sign is there only, no. So minus of integral 1 to 0 using the property. So a into a square taken outside. So a square into b square c square divided by 24. Here minus sign is there. So minus of integral 1 to 0 can be written as 0 to 1. Okay. So here t power 4 into 1 minus t dt. So here I am using the property integral a to b f of x dx equal to minus integral b to a f of x dx. Okay. Now multiply the t power 4 inside the bracket. A square b square c square divided by 24 integral 0 to 1 t power 4 minus t power 5 into dt. So a square b square c square divided by 24 integrating t with respect to dt. So t power 5 divided by 5 minus t power 6 divided by 6, limit 0 to 1. So applying the upper limit and lower limit, we can get 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Now we simplifying 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6, we may get a square b square c square divided by 24, and here LCM is 30. So 6 minus 5, so a square b square c square divided by 24, 1 by 30. Multiplying 24 into 30, 720. So what is the answer? A square b square c square divided by 720, which is the required answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood the concept.